Hi, Brittany. I really liked your this combination. It's sharp, it's contemporary, and it's memorable. So the only thing I had a couple things to say. So if you do have a website, you want to show the website email. That's more professional. And plus, you'll have it your whole life. And once you print these, you won't need to print them again, ever. So think about that. Also, I think that because this font is so thin, the purplish shadow makes it a little hard to read right here. And it's almost like you're saying no. So consider reducing the opacity of this by at least half. Or another solution, maybe you just want to show the edge of the logo here. Maybe it's a circle or a little cute hint of it up here. Something that doesn't block out what you're trying to communicate. I like this too. The only suggestions I had was to move the address down, make it smaller so that it gives Tally Design more of a stage. When you do your standards guide, you're gonna create rules about how close people can put things next to your logo. So with that in mind, you might want to move this down. Also consider making this fuchsia line very thin to go with Tally, or just get rid of it so that your logo really pops. You don't need all this stuff on there. I thought this looked good. Pardon me. The only thing I would do is get the align tool and align these. They don't look like they're aligned. Anyway, nice work. Bye.